Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a very important video for you about the crypto exchange KuCoin, and I say important because at least in my opinion this is a very profitable program that they have launched. And as you can see, we are here on the news of the KuCoin crypto exchange, and obviously it says that they will launch the KCS Lock Up and cashback program and burn plan. So basically you can go to the main page and go to the news, and you will find this article and read all about this this program in detail. But basically what it is that if you own KCS or KuCoin share, or for all the people that don't know, KCS it's the native token of this crypto exchange. So basically it's a very secure and safe token to hold, and I truly believe in this crypto exchange, and that is why I decided to show you guys about this program, and that is why I'm going to be part of this program if I can. And I say if I can because this is a timely program, and basically it began yesterday at 1st of August and it will last till 31st of August. And as you can see, basically from the name itself, Lock Up KCS or Lock KCS, basically with this program we can lock up our KuCoin share tokens that we own, or that we can buy today. And first of all, I want to apologize because I wanted to make this video 2 days ago, because as you can see, 1 day has passed. And I apologize, and I say this because if we go down, you can see that if we were able to be part of this program yesterday, we would be able to get 50% of our lock up KCS for a period of 90 days, basically 3 months. So that is what it's all about. We can lock up our KCS to the KuCoin crypto exchange and get a really nice returns in only 90 days period. And the lockup works like every day from the 1st of August to till the 31st of August, or let's say from the beginning to the end of August. Every day we have the chance, because it's going to be very difficult to be part of this program because the demand is really high. And the yesterday's program it went down in basically around 6 minutes, and you weren't able to be part of this program anymore, because you have to know that we have a limit. We have a minimum of lockup of KuCoin share tokens, which is 200, and we have a maximum of 10,000 KuCoin share per person, and we have a maximum of 500k KuCoin share token which can be locked every day. And that is why I say that the demand is going to be really high, and we hope that we can be part of this program as soon as possible, because as you can see, every day that passes, the percentage that we will get in return for this token lockup is going to be lower. And obviously I couldn't be part of this program yesterday because I didn't have time and I didn't catch it in time. They basically went up yesterday from 500k of tokens to 1 million tokens, because the demand was really high, and even to 1 million tokens the program went, or let's say the tokens that got locked up went to the maximum really quickly. So basically you need to be very careful of this. And talking about the returns are going to be from 35% in 3 months up to 50% in 3 months. But basically this is estimate, because it may be a little bit lower or it may be a little bit less. And obviously this program has its good things and negative things. And obviously the good things that is that without doing anything, you just lock up your KuCoin share tokens, and you just wait 3 months, and you will get from 35 to up to 50% of returns without doing anything. And basically this is really nice thing and really nice profit to get in only 3 months without doing anything. But obviously there is the downside for this, because you won't be able to do anything with those tokens, and obviously you won't get daily rewards from the KuCoin share tokens if you hold them, because you will get these tokens to another place. So yeah, but anyway, the percentages that we will get from this program, it's really high, so you won't feel the need for the KuCoin for the daily KuCoin share that we get from the KuCoin crypto exchange. But anyway, there is the possibility to unlock the tokens before the period of 90 days ends, but you have to know that you won't get any reward if you do that, and obviously you will pay a fee to KuCoin of 10% of the tokens that you locked up before. So basically you won't gain anything if you unlock the tokens before the time ends, and obviously you will pay a fee of 10% for that if you are going to do that. But you can do that, and it's a good thing, because since the demand is going to be really high for the KuCoin share token, I believe that the price of the KuCoin share token is going to get up and up, because at least this month till this program ends, because people are going to want to buy this token and obviously lock up for 3 months. But anyway, we shall see if that is going to happen. But if we take a look at the price for the 3 to 4 days prior to this day, you will see that the price has gone up at least to 30 to 35%, and this is the reason why the price has gone up, and I think it will go even higher than it is right now. So basically, from this program, if you don't want to be part of this program, obviously you can profit from the increase in price, for the increase in demand that this token is going to have. So basically we have two ways in which we can profit from this program. If you want to be part of it, you can lock up your coins, and you will get from 35 to 50% reward in 3 months. But basically you can have a really nice return just from the increase of the in price of this token, and you can sell them with the profit. At least this is my personal opinion. You can decide what to do, and that is why I'm going to lock up half of my KuCoin shares that I own, and I'm going to keep half of my KuCoin share available. So if this happens, if the price of the KuCoin share goes up, then I have the chance to get a really nice returns from the KuCoin share token that I will have available. But this is a really nice thing for all those people that don't want to do anything. They don't want to care about this. They just lock up their coins and forget about 3 months, and then they will get their profit. So yeah, I think I covered all this up. Basically you can go again to the news and read about this article, and you will find in detail what you can do with this program and how you can be part of this. It's really easy. You just have to own KuCoin shares and go. If you don't have, you can buy them. For all the people that don't have already an account with KuCoin shares, don't forget to use my referral link that you will find in the video description, so you will help me out a little bit. And basically after you get your KuCoin share tokens, you go to withdrawal, then go and obviously select the KuCoin share token, and in the wallet address you need to enter the address for the lockup, which is lock KCS, and this is the address where you need to send the KuCoin share tokens. Obviously we'll enter the number, and then on the remark you can enter my referral code, which is this one here, and if you do that, basically you will be my referral, so I will get a little bit of your or let's say a little bit of percentages from your lockup that you will get after 3 months. But obviously I will not get your cut of that profit, but KuCoin share is going to pay me a little bit of percentages for you if you for me if you use my referral code as it is in here, 23FEF. So basically you can help me out a little bit. So now there is a very important thing that you need to know before you do that, because there is a limited time, as I told you, which you can lock up your KuCoin shares, since we have a specific hour and since we have a limited number of KuCoin shares per day that can be locked up. So basically yesterday it was the time of 00, or let's say midnight at the UTC plus 8 time, but today I saw this article which basically they have changed the time from midnight to 22 hours, or basically 10 o'clock in the night. So you have to keep in mind and calculate the hour. For example, I am on the time zone +2, so for me the hour 22:00 on UTC +8 in my country, which I am on the time zone +2, it's going to be the hour 1600, or let's say 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So basically you have to calculate the time, and I say you have to calculate the time because you have to stay ready if you want to lock up your coins, because it's going to be very difficult to get lock up your coins, because the demand is going to be really high. They don't say anything about they don't say anything about the maximum number of lockup tokens per day, because as I told you at the beginning, it was 500k, and yesterday they upped this at 1 million, since the demand was really high. So I hope this is going to be the case for every other day, so basically more and more people can join this program. So yeah, basically that's about it. I think I covered all the things I wanted to cover. So make sure, if you want to be part of this program, make sure that that you lock up your coins as soon as possible, because the quicker we lock up our coins, the higher is going to be the rate of return. As you can see, it gets down 0.5% every day. So basically we can get a really nice return from this program. Okay, anyway, although I said, and I do believe that the crypto exchange KuCoin, it's really safe, and I believe that this program is going to get through without any problems. Obviously I have to say this because this is not financial advice, but obviously this is what I am doing, and I am just showing you what I am doing, and obviously give you the chance for all the people that don't know already, obviously to be part of this program if you didn't know about this one. Okay then, yeah, I think I covered all the things I wanted to say. We don't care about the burn and the buybacks or repurchasing. So yeah, that was it. Anyway, if you have any questions, you can ask the support on the live session, because they have a live chat, or basically you can ask me on the comment section or contact me via social media. I will try my best to help you out with this, but basically it's really easy. You just get your KuCoin shares. You make sure you have your KuCoin share tokens on your main account, not on the trading account. So if you have them on the trading account, you have to transfer them to the main account, and then you do the withdrawal on this address, lock KCS. To be sure, you just go here, copy this one, and then paste it in here, then enter the amount you want to lock up, a minimum of 200 KuCoin share tokens, a maximum of 10,000 KuCoin share tokens. And obviously if you want to do on the remark, you can enter my referral code, so basically you can help me out a little bit, so we can help each other out. Okay then, that was it for today. Thank you very much for watching, guys. As always, before we go away, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, also turn on post notifications so you never miss one of my videos, and yeah, as always, catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.